I'm under our hotel bedroom right now. I think this is the coolest hotel room we've ever been in.
We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time because we made love.
Okay, we just checked in to this brand new hotel pretty much, right?
Yep.
Like how many days?
2 weeks old.
The hotel's only 2 weeks old. It's a whole art installation hotel. Apparently there's something really cool that's going to happen when I open this door. I don't know. They said they're not going to spoil the surprise. They said I can't have epilepsy.
Yeah, we've seen photos online. I just see some lights and stuff. I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Should I open this?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Hopefully we don't drop dead.
Oh my.
Okay, that is.
This is the entrance to our hotel room.
Oh my gosh, epilepsy.
Wow, it's like a dance party. You have to take your shoes off.
You have to take your shoes off. It's still Japan.
Camera is freaking out right now.
That knew that I was stepping in here.
Okay, so now it's all done.
Now
We're gonna keep stepping.
the floor is vibrating.
Whoa. Okay.
What?
Wow, that's wild.
What is going on?
You just feel it. Shh, shh. Listen.
Should I keep walking?
Our floor is vibrating, and it's like in this crazy. Come here, Dash. We're entering our hotel room right now. It's totally dark.
It's like a sound booth.
Whoa! And then there goes all the lights. And that was the entrance to our hotel.
That was the entrance to this hotel room.
Wow.
Oh, it's really.
That is pretty wild looking.
That's gonna be the first bed I've slept in all of Japan. We've only been on tatami mats. It's gonna feel so amazing.
That was freaking wild. Look at this. Look at this room now. That mirror, when you walk in, just flashes. It's like as soon as you enter, it just starts flashing like crazy. And this floor, there's this whole floor here, and it's a speaker. You're pretty much walking on a speaker. It just vibrates. Oh, there you go. Ooh, wow. Oh man, that is a nice bathroom.
That is a nice bathroom.
Shoot, my dude. Check that out. It's like hidden away inside our room. We got the top of our bathroom over here.
Top of the line.
And there's a special experience that's even supposed to be more unique than what we are doing here.
Where?
In the hidden door underneath our bed.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
So this looks just like a couch, right? You think it's just a couch?
I don't know
Look
what
at
it is.
That looks just like a couch, right?
What is it?
Open the door. Look at the handle. There's a handle right here. Someone. Yeah, look.
Oh my god.
So the lights in our room just kicked off when we pulled open the couch.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
What? Look at that.
It's literally playing music with my steps.
That is gonna be the coolest thing I've ever seen.
I said there was a bathroom under the bed, but this is way cooler.
So the room is filled with all these LED lights and it's padded as you're walking through, but as you hit the different areas, it's like echoing and making noises. This is wild. You're scratching it like a cat.
It's playing music.
That's our hotel room view. Check that out. That is amazing. Look, you can see a temple right there. Wow. There's another one right there. This is the Gion district all over here. This is the river. This is the coolest.
So modern and hip, and I can't believe it's not booked out. It just opened like 2 weeks ago, and we nabbed it on Airbnb last week. I think we paid exactly $200 with all the Airbnb's fees and all that crap, which sounds really high, but in all honesty, if this was in a city like New York or LA, like it'd be going for at least double the price. This is amazing. I'm expecting the price to go up with time, but since it just opened, so I'm so happy that we're here and we just got this.
This room is so cool. Look at it right now. Inside the hotel, there's also a public art gallery that goes up a staircase, and you go through multiple levels inside the hotel and on the outside, and you've got all these cool modern works of art. We're checking out of the hotel room in like 5 minutes, and we're getting our last few looks inside this, which is so cool. And we found out this morning that we were the first guests to get to stay inside this room, and they were just doing some last minute touches in the last 2 days before we arrived. And it was so cool because we just found this on Airbnb and booked it totally ourselves. I had no idea what we were getting into or anything like that. So to get to stay in such a cool hotel room, like totally last minute, we were just looking for something in the area, is so lucky.
ありがとうございます。勉強機にありがとうございます。